Nowadays, making website is super easy to anyone. Let's get straight to work. Firstly, create two new text files named index.html and styles.css. Now let's dive into the ChatGPT conversation. Type like this: I want you to act like a skilled web developer. I want to create a website for a burger hut. Give me a structure of a creative landing page. Once we have the structure, let's proceed by copying each section and giving specific instructions. Let's say, write HTML and CSS codes for the header section using a dark theme. After copying the codes, we can return to the previously created files and open them in any text editor. Then, paste the HTML code into the index.html file and save it. Also, paste CSS code into the styles.css. Next, let's go back to the ChatGPT and repeat the process, replacing header section with hero section. Again, copy the provided codes and paste them into the respective files. Let's take a moment to check the web page. It may not be complete yet. Now it's time to add the background image and brand logo. I've already generated the images using Leonardo A. I placed them in this folder. Now let's make a few changes by renaming the images to match the names mentioned in the code. ChatGPT will provide all the necessary instructions. Great, it's looking good now. Let's add a small CSS code to enhance its appearance. Perfect, it's looking pretty good. This process can be repeated for the remaining sections, creating the entire website step by step. I won't go into detail about each section to avoid repetition. However, I've included the source code and images of the website that I created, which you can download for free. That's all for now. Thank you, and see you next time.